dum dum da. It's me. I don't know what to say really. I am. Oh God. I think it's fair to say I'm drunker than usual. At the end of the day, which is great from an amusing content perspective. It's less good, it might be fair to say, from a sort of, oh, there's Spotify, we'll put that over there, a sort of coding perspective. Let's just put it on, I don't know, whatever, but I'll repeat just in case. So here we are with the music. Here I am online. There's one viewer. That viewer is me. I've had a very odd evening where I offered to sniff someone's beer and they thought sorry. I've had a very odd evening, I think it's fair to say. But anyway, the evening is oh fuck this shit, man. Seriously. I've got some activity. Yeah, whatever. No one cares about that. Yeah, that's it, baby cakes. So here we find ourselves. Now look, you haven't got me for long because some of us actually have to go up in the morning. You reprobates. No, that's not right. The right number is that one. That's the one I want. Hey team. So we are, oh god, I'm already grumpy about this. So we have a despawn boundary. Okay, let's remind us all where we are, shall we? So I've got an itchy eye as well, but that's a different matter. So we got the thingy and we do the jumpy. I don't know what is wrong with my thingy, my bobs. Okay, I think we are definitely going to need, I would like to see the despawn boundary. Despawn boundary. Alright, show me the despawn boundary, baby. Oh, what? And it dies every time? That's very, very frustrating. Maybe I shouldn't reload. Oh my god, I'm angry now. Okay. So in short, the bastard thing doesn't despawn. Because it should despawn around here somewhere. So I suppose we're going to have to work out why. So we have a despawn boundary, which is that. And it's a thing. We've given it rigid body. Oh, piss off. Oh my god. Yeah, let's actually see. So. Oh my god. I'm much too drunk to do this. I like the music though. I mean, I've got to stay awake for an hour because of various pill regimes. I won't go into too much detail, but essentially, I have to take a lot of pills. It's not that much fun, but you know, it's not the end of the world. On the other hand, it does mean that eating and drinking and sleeping and stuff like that are all a bit of a... You can't just come straight home from the pub and then go to bed, turns out. Which, at 2 o'clock in the morning, is a lot less fun than you might think. But, here we find ourselves. So, my cherubs. I think cherubs, that's what I'm going to call you. You, my noble... Well, I don't like the word followers. Disciples? Yeah, I prefer disciples. But you're cherubs. You are chipper little cherubs. I may be a bit drunk. So, that is a despawn boundary. It is a box collider. I'm going to make it a trigger. I don't want it to be a rigid body. Bollocks to that. Right. I'm going to ask the internet. That's how we're going to start here. We're going to start by asking the sodding... Oh, up your bum. Don't know what that was, but we're going to bring over... No, I don't want an incognito tab. I've got nothing to hide. Nothing to hide here. Hello, Google. Google, my old friend. So, Unity. Oh, God. If I have to write the word Unity one more time, I'm going to go insane. Unity. Why is Collider not working? There we go. Look at this. There's so many advantages to being drunk. Both are set to is trigger. The objects on different layers. Aha! Poolaroo. Poolaroo, are you looking at this? Are you looking at that? Because I'm using transform position. I'm looking at you, Poolaroo. That better be you. Are you online? Go on, own up. Own up, Poolaroo. Instead of using physics methods like rigid body, don't move position. So here's a checklist. I'm not going to watch your ridiculous YouTubes. I make the ridiculous YouTubes around here. You don't get to make ridiculous YouTubes or make me watch them. At least one of the two objects. Groovy. Both must have colliders. Groovy. Match dimensions. Groovy. If a kinematic... Oh, now I'm lost. If a kinematic rigid body is not triggering collisions with a static collider, what does any of that mean? I don't want physical. If you want to detect overlap, both can be checked. Do I? I don't even know what I want. There's the despawn boundary, and it is an is trigger, and then this is also an is trigger. So that's all good. Don't judge me. So, oh my god, this is stressful. So these things also have box gliders. Oh yeah, but they need to have box gliders because they are doing the thingy. This thing, the gappy thing, is a box glider and it's a trigger. What are you saying? What are you saying? What are you saying? Blah, blah, blah. Is trigger misses. Well, physical collisions. I don't want a physical collision. Both can be checked. Inactive small colliders, green colliders. Blah, 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 blah. Can I ask the thing not to give me videos because I'm not going to watch them? Teleporting. Using transform or skips physics checks. Use rigid body or apply forces. I mean, I'm just saying. But then, if it has... Oh, I don't know. I'm so angry. I don't know what to do. It's so confusing. I mean, there's just so many bits and the bobs. I'm sure once you get the hang of it, this all makes a certain amount of sense. But at the moment, it makes absolutely no sense. So this is a box collider. What's it saying? It's saying that... What the hell is it saying? So I think it's the problem that I'm using the transformed opposition. But the transformed position works on the fact that it doesn't have a physics body. But if it has a physics body, it's going to bump into my... I don't like it. I don't like any of this. This is upsetting me enormously. I very much respect intelligent people's input and advice. So, why can I not see anything? We've got the penguin, tick to the penguin. Spawn point, despawn boundary. That's it. So the despawn boundary is a rigid body. Okay, I don't know what simulated means, but whatever. Body has now been taken out of the simulator. Okay, no, we definitely want that. So let's back in. In fact, I might just... Can I... Boink. Right. So, I don't know why I did that. Just pedantry. Pedantry. Pure, unadulterated pedantry, people. Don't follow my example. So the with the and that then there must be a solution to all of this. So what we've got is not a penguin. We got this thing. Gappy thing has a script associated with it, which is now opening up in the magic of modern technology. Bollocks to you in Visual Studio Code 1.1.20. No one cares about that nonsense. So I was informed by a viewer who used to be my favourite. You were my favourite, Poolery. But I may have to out you. You said this was good, but it was working before. Can I undo? No, I can't. God damn it. Is it in here somewhere? Gappy thing. Boink, boink. I would like to see the change. Oh no, it's all just new. No, it was all new. I should have saved it while it was working. Oh god. It was something like update your mum. I'm fairly sure it's update your mum. Let's try update your mum. Update your mum. No, god damn it, for some reason that's not it. Update. No. I should definitely drink less. Coding. It's the Balmer curve. It's the Balmer curve, and it's fair to say that there is a high point on the Balmer curve. High point. So the Balmer curve. Balmer was a guy who helped to write the original Windows. Steve, I think his name is Steve. I'm not even joking. Steve Jobs, but also maybe Steve Ballmer. Let's actually check. Is it Steve Ballmer? Windows Ballmer. Windows Ballmer. Yeah, there we go. I don't want it in Thai. What do I look like to you? Some sort of no, obviously not, you dickhead developer. What? Steve Ballmer. Oh, there you go. So I'm an idiot. So, Ballmer. Aha! You see, I'm not making it up. The Ballmer piece, blah blah blah. Superhuman at a specific. So I'm definitely above that. Yeah, I'm well above that. Oh, I'll play on LeetSpeak. Oh, that's very clever. Oh, XKCD, you're very funny. Roughly 2 drinks can have a positive by lowering inhibition similar to findings on Reddit. So, this is great, other than the fact that I've had 5 drinks, so I'm obviously on the other side. The core idea is to find the balance between being too intoxicated. Yeah, you see, I might be in the gutter, but that's not going to stop me trying, and you're here to help me. I appreciate and I welcome input and your love. I welcome input and the other thing. Encouragement. Alright, fine. Oh, fuck, this isn't helping though. What's the actual solution to this problem? So the problem is, right, okay, let me break it down for you. We've got bollocks to that. So I'm just trying to make Flappy Bird. I mean, really, you'd think this was a solved problem. So we've got the penguin. It's a penguin. The game's called Radical Penguin. Do you know why? It's because it's about a penguin, and that penguin is radical. So at some point it's going to have, like, sprite. It's going to be a bit like, what am I talking about? What am I talking about? Sonic the Hedgehog. Right, come on, you jumpy bitch. No, you see, like, I mean, it's just all completely wrong so far. But anyway, it makes it more fun. But it's, oh my god, I'm an idiot. Like, this is meant to be a... So that's meant to despawn around here, right? It's meant to despawn around there. Wow. I'm definitely giving it too much spunk. Yeah, much too much spunk. And I think there should be a limit on how much maximum nonsense it should. Oh, that would have been amazing. The problem is I just enjoy doing this shit too much because I'm an idiot. God, I mean, really, can you imagine being so basic? I'm such a basic bitch. I'm basically playing a really shit version. I'm basically playing a really shit version of Flappy Bird. Oh my god, what a waste of life. Anyway, look, it's going to get better, I promise you. It's going to be like, there's going to be, you know, because I'm going to make it into a Watsity thing. What's the word? I don't know, like a Balatro-esque. You know, there's going to be upgrades. And it's not going to look like this, because that would just be basic bitch shit. Look, that's going to disappear. Why has it not disappeared? I got distracted by playing my stupid game. So look, we've got a spawn point. Boom, spawn point. Great, love it. Things come into existence. Despawn boundary is where the prefab, which is a gappy thing, which is this thing, and it spawns at different points. All right, so we're going to open that. Look, here it is. It spawns at different heights. Why does it not show all this crap? Am I being dumb? I want you to show me everything all the time. Can I tell you to do that? Debug draw mode, unit draw mode, wireframe draw mode. Oh, that's just upsetting me. Oh! 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 Okay, is this going to work better? Why did that? Was that on? Why would anyone want that on? Okay, this might be better. This might be better in that at least I can see when it's going wrong. Oh look! Yes! Yeah! Oi! Loggers! Now that should disappear there. Now that went through that. It definitely went through that because the kind of the parent of this double thing. So this is. Oh, I'm quite good at this game. Okay, so the first thing we've learned is that actually the thing needs to be longer, but that's not the problem here. The problem here, the policy here, is to aim the Cointreau at the peach. That's the policy. So first things first, despawn boundary, we're going to make you a bit longer. So we're going to make you 12. Oh, that 12's quite a lot. Oh, that was not 12. That's 12. Okay, let's make it 15. No, 15. Alright, so that should do. That pig should do. So, first problem, make that a bit bigger. Second problem, this bit comes in now. And because it's being bobbined. Okay, I'm actually going to have to think for a second. So you're going to have to bear with me while I do some thinking. Because I'm reasonably good at multitasking, but actually thinking and talking at the same time is quite hard. Which may be why making a devlog is so difficult. So, I mean obviously if I knew the answer this would be a lot easier. But I don't. So, what is this music? Does it ever change? Oh, I'm repeating the same one. No wonder I'm going insane. I thought it all sounded disturbingly familiar. Right, now I'm repeating the entire playlist. Let's just check this works because actually I was beginning to go absolutely mental. Thank God for that. Alright, fine. So, in other news. Okay. Right. Good. Everything's going brilliantly. Everything's going swimmingly. Firstly, we got music that isn't the same song on repeat, which was going to actually drive me mad. Secondly, we've got everything showing up here. Thirdly, I've got an idea of what the problem is. And the problem is, Poolery, not looking at you, that I was using the transforming thing, which apparently is bad juju. I don't know what to do about that though. I want it to be in the middle. No, I literally want, because I'm going to build it around the middle. So I want there to be a thing that moves left and is the parent of the other things. So maybe I do want it to be a physical thing. This thing. So this is a non-thingy thing, but maybe if it is a thingy thing, can I then make that? Ready? No, I can't. God damn it! Why is this so complicated? Now, if I make that kinematic, I don't know what that means, but if I make it kinematic, which I think means, what is kinematic? Unity, what is kinematic? Whatever. And, is a component that allows the game to move via scripts or animation ignoring physics while still impacting other... Poolaroo! You liar! You liar, Poolaroo! So, this means that I can use the gappy thing, kinematic object constant x velocity. God almighty, how drunk am I? It's complicated. It's complicated being this drunk. Right, vector 2 in a fixed update. You see, I knew it was that. It wasn't update your mum. I thought it was something like update your mum, but it isn't. It's not update your mum. It should be update your mum. Everything at the end of the day should be update your mum. No. What are you doing, you dick wombles? Oh yeah, I pressed the wrong button, so I'm an idiot. So, and now it needs a bloody thing. Oh my god. I don't know why. Right. What have I learnt? What have I learnt? Well, I've learnt several things. One of the things I've learnt is, and I hate to say it, because I do appreciate the input, and I don't want anyone to stop giving me the old input there. But maybe sometimes people on the internet aren't always right. RB equals. Why do I not have a flipping? See, check me out. I can do not swearing in public. Why do I not have a flipping AI? That's what I'm for. RB equals get component, is it? Thingy rigid body. Is that right? Right. Fine, I'll use linear velocity. Thank you. Linear velocity x equals, I don't know, move speed. Oh yeah, well that works. Does that work? Why is everything so complicated? Alright, I would like that, please. Oh my god, just give me the thing, you dick womble. I don't know what you think you're doing, you weirdo. Get component, quick fix. These require component attribute. Well, how's that hard? Just get on with it, you fart. I don't know, I really don't. Look, so now we've got, what was I doing? Jesus, what was I doing? What am I doing? Well, obviously it's got one. I don't know what to say. Oh my god, why is everything so annoying all the sodding time? I don't know why I bother sometimes. So, you've got the thing. Oh, let's just see if it works. I can't even be bothered to think about it. So I think this should work. I mean, I've been programming for years, so I kind of get, you know, like what can I say? I'm an expert. That has not gone well. Okay, so what we've learned. Oh god, what we've learned is I'm an idiot. Oh, it's going the wrong sodding way. Oh my god. Obviously it's going the wrong sodding way, because it would have been too easy for it to have gone the wrong way. I mean, fair enough. Alright, let's just have -1 times. Oh my god. I mean, because I want it to go that way. No, it's fair, it's fair, it's fair. And that's not true anymore. So your mum can suck my chuddies. Brilliant. Love that. Right. Right, come on, you little bastards. Not that I'm calling anyone a bastard, but these guys are bastards. Right, come on. Come on, you naughty little monkeys. Come on, my naughty little monkeys. Naughty little monkeys. All I want by the end of the day is for this not to break. Oh god, I really need a better... Maybe I should turn that off. Yeah, I think I should turn that off. Oh, maybe I should just get rid of the bloody penguin in total. Yeah, I think maybe I should get rid of the penguin. But it's kind of fun, I enjoy it. That has not sodding worked. Jeez la bloody wheeze is all I'm saying. All I'm saying is jeez la bloody wheeze. Why has that not worked? Oh god, did you see that skill though? I hope you saw that skill. So anyway, boink. Right, so what do we have? Shut up, you. It's not funny. So we got game over the penguin? Who says penguin? Ugh, I don't care about API did not become accessible. I don't know, it's probably giving information away about myself. What does that say? It just doesn't mean anything. Your editor focus, I'll edit your focus. Penguin, game over, penguin, game over, penguin. It's nothing to do with the sodding penguin, you dicks. God almighty, I'm in a bad mood about this. I mean, seriously, it's not that hard. So it goes left, great. On collision, do some crap. If the thing is a thing, oh my god. It's going to be... Okay. So I got the rigid body on the awake. The rigid body, it goes left. On a collision enter 2D, which is what it is. Why are people coming and going? Don't come and go. Just stay with me. Stay with me. I promise you this is going to go somewhere at some point. Maybe. So at some point this is going to go somewhere. So the move speed, we got a rigid body. Look, I'm fucking nailing this. Like, am I allowed to swear? I think I'm allowed to swear. Yeah, this is a sweary channel. This is a sweary channel. Maybe. What time is it? God, I'm hungry. Daddy wants num-nums. Right. What the hell am I doing? What the hell am I doing? Don't keep coming and going. It stresses me out. God, I shouldn't look at the numbers. Maybe I shouldn't look at the numbers. Maybe this is what I should do. Ah, now I don't care. Right, good, excellent. I've stopped looking at the numbers. So, that's a thing. The despawn boundary is also a thing, but now it's a trigger, so maybe I don't want it to be a trigger. I don't want it to be a trigger! Oh, the temptation. But I can't, I'm not allowed to say that sort of thing. So I don't think I want any of that. I don't want that. I want that. Right, let's see what that does. Right, I think this is going to work. I mean, I'm basing this on extremely little information. But it's not going to stop me trying. Why is this here? I don't want that. That can suck my chuds. Right, what are you doing? Okay, so hopefully it's going to go through that. Oh, it did not go through there. Ah, oh, dicks. But did it despawn? The important thing. Oh, bollocks. Did it despawn? Did it despawn? No, it did not despawn. Oh my god, this is annoying. So now somehow, despite the fact that it's kinematic, you're kinematic. Oh my god, this is so frustrating. I'm quite easily... I am not a man who angers easily. Honestly, I'm not. I know it might seem like I am. I've got to do something about all of this. Why am I being such an idiot about this? Actually, why am I being such an idiot about this? Oh, I know what I should have done. I should have solved that problem first. The problem is I quite like doing this nonsense. I do realise this isn't necessarily the best use of anyone's time. Oh my god, stop doing that. Make it stop. Oh god. Oh god, no. Alright, now I've had enough of that. That's just too insane. Right, you. So this thing needs to be tiny, whiny, weeny, beany. Oh, what do you think you are? Like, no, I want you smaller. No, not that small. I do want you in the middle because... Oh, I know what I'm going to do. Oh, I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to jump over it because I'm a coward. I'm a coward. I'm a coward. Come on. Come on. Right. Jump over it. Wait. Are you going to disappear? No, you do not disappear. Why don't you disappear, you absolute bastard? Why is this not working? See, I can jump over it. Why is this not working? Oh god, why is it not working? This is really driving me a bit insane. The whole business is quite complicated, it turns out. It's quite a complicated business. I could learn from my mistakes, and I'm pretty sure I could repeat them exactly. So, we have... Oh my god, I'm slightly losing the plot, it turns out. So we've got a box glider, which despite being... I don't even know anymore. This thing is kinematic, which means it shouldn't actually interact with things, and yet somehow it does. Did I misunderstand something? Kinematic object. It's not driven by the phys... What do you mean? I want it to be driven... I'm angry. Okay, so I understand. I see what it means. Oh god, this is stressful. So I don't want... Oh, this is so annoying. I'm going to move this down a bit. Look at me. I'm down here now. My enormous fat belly. Right. Oh my god, this is like literally... This is my first major problem. And I genuinely had no idea this crap was going to be so complicated. So, I want this thing... here, and I don't want to hack it. There must be a solution to this. I want the gappy thing. Like, and again, it's not. I mean, I am a perfectionist. There is no getting away from the fact I'm a perfectionist. I have issues, but I want the gappy thing to literally not exist in any real way. I want it to be a parent object. I want it to move to the left, and I want it maybe this thing needs to be a trigger. But I don't want, I want the gappy thing to handle its own. Yeah, I want the gappy thing to handle its nonsense. Am I being dumb? Am I being dumb? I feel like I'm being dumb. I also feel like I'm really hot. Hello. Oh, there we go. Well, at least I've got some aircon now. I think that wasn't helping. The lack of aircon probably wasn't helping. Right. So, I know, like, really, if you're frustrated, just tell me what the sod to do. Have opinions. It doesn't matter. I've got nothing better. Like, just type nah 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 nah, and I'll try it. I mean, I might disagree with you because I'm an opinionated old fuck, but I will try it because you might be right. I've done it before, and it turned out it wasn't right, and I don't think it wasn't wrong. I don't think it was wrong, but it wasn't what I needed. The problem is that I like to think problems through. I'm not really a just doer sort of person. Yesterday I was really just doing shit yesterday. Alright, so, I mean, I could just ask the internet. I mean, I could actually just ask, okay, so Unity. I have a parent object that I want to control. I don't know why I'm even doing like this. Is this actually necessary in the long run, or am I just fixing a problem that I'm going to kill anyway? No, no, I probably am going to... Am I? Yeah, I think I need to, because, yeah. Sorry, I'm thinking something through kind of a bit longer term. But in the end, at the end of the day, I think I need this to actually do its crap. So I think this is going to help at some point. Blah 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 blah. Rigid body dot move position. Static. No physical collision occurs. Oh, what? Why are these two things the same? The kinematic one gets to move, so the static one doesn't. In platforms that move on a set path and should carry the player without being affected by the player's weight, yes. Blah, where you experience exact spells rather than relying on wind or gravity, yes. So I understand the point of your kinematics. I have an itchy ear. It's one of life's great tragedies, is the itchiness of my ear. I don't know what I'm doing. I have achieved precisely 0 so far this evening. It's quite sad. How long have I been streaming? 45 minutes, and I've done precisely... Sweet Fanny Adam. Oh, well, this has kind of worked, I suppose, so that's useful. Really, if you've got any experience in this crap, it would be warmly welcomed. So, just to reiterate, we have a spawn point over here. I mean, I'm just making Flappy Bird. It really isn't that complicated. So, like, and it's going to go through that, obviously it's going to hit the thing. But like, I don't mind it hitting the thing because I can probably dick with that at some point. Although, oh my god, it's so annoying. But why is it not disappearing? I mean, there's just so many things I don't understand. So the kinematic thing isn't helping. Because it still means that it just keeps doing its thing and it doesn't respond to my momentum. Which I understand. That makes sense. But why is it not then dying? Yeah, it's the lack of dying that offends me. I don't know. I really don't. Oh no, that's not helping. So, oh god, I really should stop playing this game. I mean, it's not even a fun game. It just turns out how weird my brain is. I'm like, oh yeah, I'll just keep doing this for ages. That should probably be bigger actually now I think about it, but it really isn't. Yeah, but I'll do it while I'm thinking about it. Come on, out. Oh look, you can do that. Right, I will have you scale to, I don't know, 180. Yeah, there we go. Right, that's as bad as that can go. Right, so, spawn point. You spawn a thing. It comes into being, it's this thing. It has a box collider associated with it, which is roughly why is the offset off? Why is the offset off? Right, whatever. So we de-offsetted it, and we'll just have that 1-to-1, which is also great. So the gappy thing itself is that is not what I wanted. So the I'm so very, very confused. So the gappy thing itself, it has to move. It has to be a rigid body, but if it's a rigid body, it's going to interact with other things. But if it's not a rigid body, oh, this is so annoying. So the parent itself, like, there must be a way of handling this. So I want the parent to control the movement. Do I? I want the parent to control the movement of the two children. So look, we got a parent, and then in there we've got the children, okay? And they are set. And as the parent moves, so when the parent dies or hits its despawn point, I want the children to die. This all seems very reasonable so far. Does anyone have any disabusements? I don't think they do. I don't think anyone has any disabusements. So, it needs a collider. So, okay, so how about this? Box collider, Unity, box collider, 2D, no, what's it called? What is it called? God, I should know this shit. Rigid body. No rigid body. But its behavior, well, it still defines it will not move by, yeah, exactly, in response to collisions automatically. A game object with a collider but no is just static collider. These are best for walls, floors, apart from the move. Collision, for any collision event, like on collision enter 2D, at least one of the two collidings must, I've done that. Similarly, on trigger enter 2D to work, the moving object usually requires a rigid body 2D. If you don't want physics to move it to wake up the collision system. If you move a game object that has box but no rigid body by showing it strong, the unit has to recalculate the entire physics of that, which can be very expensive performance. Well, I don't want to do that. As a bot, but no rigid body by choosing its transform position. When to keep the if you want two bodies to interact or no one bouncy or gravity based with it, you should still add a and change its body to go. This allows it to move its script while still being Russian. What that's what I've done, but it's still hitting my shiz, you know? That's what I've done. Am I being dumb? So you are kinematic. But then if it's kinematic, it seems to be hitting this. Oh, this is really driving me mad. Also, it doesn't seem to matter anyway, because it moves left. And then when it gets there, please tell me I've still got the script. Yeah, I have. Right, here's the gappy thing script. So, on collision enter 2D, have I set it to a trigger? I have not. So it has collisions. Surely it has collisions, and it has collisions with the despawn point. The despawn point also, maybe I don't want it to be a trigger. Alright, let's try this. My god, this is stressful. I am drinking. It is 1 in the morning. It's not. Here, it's, I don't even know what time it is. It's like, it's 1:30 in the morning. But I appreciate your cat. Why is it not freaking dying? God, this is driving me absolutely loopy. This is really driving me quite mad. Look, oh my god, just go above it. So you're hitting it. Am I getting anything? I'm not getting anything. No, no. Oh, not you. Bad naan bread. Game over. Bing bang bong. Why is this not working? First time shot. Diabful. Hi, I don't understand English well, but I realised you're drunk. I mean, I think that's very sensible. I'm just drinking beer. I was drinking beer, but I've now run out of beer, which is extremely sad. I'm not happy about the lack of beer, but, spoiler alert, I'm very, what's what I'm looking for? Anal? Mad? Insane? Oh, now you've broken completely. What the hell was that going on? It's 1 in the morning now. Where are you, Diabful? Where are you? You're... Okay, I think Diabful... If you think it's 1 in the morning... What time do I think it is? Do I think it's 2 in the morning or do I think it's 3 in the morning? Oh god, I think it's 3 in the morning. Oh my god, it's 3 in the morning. Diabful, I'm guessing you're in India. Yeah, in west coast of India, or west side of India, west coast. West side of India. It was just beer. I have had... No, just tonight, just beer. Just beer. I'm not that drunk. How dare you? How dare you? I'm offended. Oh, God. Yeah, it turns out that programming while drunk might be more amusing for everyone else rather than me. Why won't you disappear? Right, I'm being an idiot. Let's just get that working. Let's get that working, and then we'll move on. So, we've got a collision enter. It's a rigid body 2D. That's all working fine. We've got the spawn point. If the collider tag is wall despawn. Have I changed the collider tag? Am I being an idiot? Wall despawn. No, it is not. That's what it's called. So. Diabful, what are you doing? Are you drunk if you're up at 1 o'clock in the morning? Why are you hanging out, Diabful, at 1 o'clock in the morning? I will ask you this question at Diab. Does this work? Oh, it does. Look at that. Look at that. Boink. At Diabful. I am sending this to you so you can use translate. Translate, because you can copy and paste translate. I have been drinking beer. Just beer. But I'm old. And even beer makes me drunk. Can I do a ruffle face? I can do it. Oh, I can't. I don't want Big Brother. I want a lol. Lol. Fine, have a lol. Right, good. That'll do. Pigs. Right. Oh my god, what the fuck's going on? So it's all very, very simple. I'm not sure why I'm being so stupid. What does simulated mean? No, I definitely want it simulated. So we've got a box glider, we've got a rigid body. We'll have the rigid body above. It doesn't seem to matter. So the collider is that big. That's great. You got material, don't care about that. Use for offender, blah 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 blah. Makes you drunk now, lol. God, don't get old, it really is rubbish. So, that's great. So, oh my god, am I being dumb? So look, it's just a normal thing. Why is this so bloody complicated? It doesn't have a sodding. So maybe that doesn't want that. But if that's the case, then what the hell's going on here? Oh, I'm so confused. Prefab, boink. So you now exist. I don't want you to be kinematic. I want you to be dynamic. Okay. Alright, let's try that. I am not exactly confident, but you know, I think we're getting there. So let's see. So if we jump over the thingy, oh, I don't know what you're doing there. Why are you going over there? Why does everything hate me so much? Oh, dude, you really shouldn't have gravity. Why have you got gravity? I didn't give you gravity. Who the dick gave you gravity? No, no gravity. Bad! Bad thing. Right, no gravity. Why did it get gravity? No one gave you gravity. Gravity. That's a song, isn't it? Who's that by? Gravity. Alright, let's go over it. Please despawn. Oh my god, it despawned! Right, okay, so we've got despawning going on. But now we've got a problem that I suspect if I try to actually go through the bastard thing. God, at least it's despawning. I don't know why this is taking so long. But now, yeah, now you get hit. Okay, great. It's going great, other than the fact that I've got a thing. So I could do multiple things. I could hide it in... Oh my god, this is no better than last time. I think basically I've got myself to the point where I was about a week ago. It's very frustrating. Oh. So, alright, in short, I can't go through the hole. So I don't want you to interact with each other, and I don't really want you to be... No, I'm very confused. So I kind of want you to be kinematic, because I don't actually want you to deal with the other shit. And I also don't want you to interact with... Maybe I should... No, because I don't want... Oh! Maybe I could use different layers. So this mofo is on a sort of non-interactive layer. The penguin is on a player level. Okay. I mean, why not? So can you be... I don't know what any of these things mean. Literally haven't a clue what any of these things mean. Why have I got these layers? Alright, let's just call it like Bob. Alright, Bob. Right, we got a Bob layer. It won't be always Bob, but like I don't know what I'm doing. So let's try that. So Bob, great, excellent. So Bob, yeah, love. Yep. Alright. Right, so you're on the Bob layer. No, this object only. Okay, is this gonna work? I think this might work. Don't ever. I like that. I'm from Russia. Ah. I like Ella Russia, Mother Russia. Is this gonna work though? I like the trick is to go through the hole. Oh god damn! Why do I make my life so difficult? Okay, no. Moruski, si. Da Dobrich. Right, come on! Is it? Oh my god, this is driving me insane. I don't overestimate. No! God damn it! Da da puppy da da do 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 da 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 day. Ah, you're a gas miner. You do real work. I sit in front of a computer. I am a professional programmer, but not a professional game developer. How do I do a lol? Lol. Lol. Oh, god damn it. I just want to laugh. Whatever. Whatever. So, Diabful, you should follow me. This is fun times. Crown created 2014. Crikey, Diabful. Ugly sweater. Twitch recap. Twitch recap. Dibful followed me. Thank you, Dibful. Thank you for following me. Right. I make websites usually. I make web. What do I do? What do I do? I mean, I just don't make websites. I mean, that would be underselling myself to say I make websites. I do, like, I make... What do I make? I make web... I don't know. I just make websites. Fuck it. I don't care. Yeah. It's tragic, isn't it? I make websites. That's what I do for a freaking living. Right. Why? So that's working. So, hang on. So we've... Oh my god. In short, gappy thing. Where the hell's the thing? So this thing is the problem. You're the problem, gappy thing. You're kinematic, great. I've put you on a different layer, and yet somehow oh, maybe you need to be above my layer. Ha! Oh, maybe there's a layery, like maybe that's the... Oh, I don't care. Right, so you're now a default layer. No, this object only. Okay, so you're on a default layer. I mean, we'll work this out in a second. You, Mr. Square, are on a... Let's just use transparent FX. I don't care. Like, I know it's not right. I know it's not right. So you guys are on the transparent XS, and the penguin is on the transparent FX. The backup glitch catch has to be on the transparent FX. I mean, I know this is all absolute rubbish. Despawn boundary is on the default there because it's going to catch the thing. Okay, let's see what this does. Let's see what this does. Who knows? It's fun times. I love this. I got 3 players. So is that gonna kill? No, god damn it. Oh my god, I'm gonna go absolutely insane. So the despawn boundary. No, yeah, what? And this thing. On your man. Why? Daddy, why do you hate me so? I think I'm being an idiot. I think I'm being stupid. Oh, dear law. Right, come on, William. You can do this. Oh my god, it's 3 o'clock in the morning. Right, try to work out what the hell's going on. Have I at least fixed this problem? No. Alright, come on. No, no. It's made absolutely no difference at all. What is going on? Am I being dumb? Am I being dumb? I think I'm being dumb. So look, I don't care about any of that crap. We got a penguin. The penguin is on the transparent effects layer. So no, they should. What? Oh god! Unity do rigid bodies on different layers interact. But but you can explicitly. Ah! Okay. A rigid body with that with the path of the other objects regardless of layers. If you want to prevent collision between two specific player and enemy, put them on different layers and uncheck their intersection in the physics matrix. I mean, that's quite exciting. I've always wanted a physics matrix. So edit physics. Oh my god, I need new glasses. I only got these glasses like a month ago. I'm sorry. Edit project settings physics. Alright, fine. I'm being an idiot. Boink. Physics. Ha! It is all coming together. I'm trying. I am trying to make a. What am I trying to do? I'm trying to make a Flappy Bird clone, but then also make it more. Do you mean the long-term goal? Or just what I'm trying to do right now? Long-term, a kind of Flappy Bird clone with roguelike. I shouldn't give this away. I mean, but you know, what can you do? Roguelike gameplay. Short term. Make the bloody make the walls despawn while not having the player character interact with the wall parent object. I will be impressed if Google can translate that. So, okay. No, fine. So, why not? Fuck it. So, I made the Bob layer. Is there anything on the Bob layer? Is that the right way of doing things though? So I got the penguin, it's transparent FX. That's transparent FX. That's the spawn point, doesn't matter. Despawn boundary does matter, and this thing is also on the. So let's have a spawning layer. I don't know, let's just call it wall spawn, why not? So let's have add layer, user layer thing. So let's call that wall spawn. Okay. Wall spawn layer. Okay. So now we got this is on the wall spawn layer. No, this object only. And we've got this is on the wall spawn layer. Now we've got the walls themselves are rename top wall, and this is now called bottom wall. Okay, we got the gappy thing. They are on the default layer, and the penguin is also on the default layer. So that doesn't matter, that doesn't matter, that doesn't matter. So we got the backup glitch is on the default layer. So we got the spawn point is also on the wall spawn layer. Right, and the despawn boundary is also on the wall spawn layer. Now, we go in here. And we say... Did I miss something? Physics. Huh? Am I being dumb? Edit. Project settings. Physics. So wall spawn only interacts with wall spawn. Let's see if this works, bitches. Right. I'm confident. Am I confident? I'm semi-confident. Right. Firstly, does it despawn? Oh my god! Oh, no, it's completely not worked. Everything hasn't worked. That is the opposite of working. That is absolutely not bloody working. In case it wasn't clear, that hasn't worked. Right. Oh my god, I'm going to go insane. I mean, I just want to eat some scrambled eggs. I just want to eat some scrambled eggs. Is it so much to ask out of life? That's on the wall spawn layer. That's on the wall spawn layer. These little bastards on the wall spawn layer. Did I not save it? Maybe I didn't save it. Maybe I'm an idiot. Maybe there's a save button which I failed to... No, look, there it is. Wall spawn only interacts with wall spawn. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. What have I done wrong? 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 Fuck it, take it, fuck it, pick it, jump, wall spawn and wall spawn. I understand matrices. I understand this. I'm not an idiot. So why? Maybe you shouldn't be kinematic, maybe you should be dynamic, but that's okay. I'm not sure that's going to make an enormous difference. I just don't understand what I've done wrong. This is really absolutely getting up my nose. Literally up my nose. Oh, I don't know, I really don't. Boink. Wait. Please despawn. Oh! Ah! Oh! Alright. Is it going to fit through the thing? Oh my god. This is... I don't know why I've made this so difficult on myself. Oh! Aww. Why, God? Why? I don't know. I don't know, man. I'm gonna fucking... I think it's time for me to... Yeah, no. So, in short, my friends. In short, I have failed to achieve anything in the last hour. I am now going to eat scrambled eggs. And go to bed. Thank you for joining me. Oh my god. Oh dear. Right, but thank you. I'm out of here. I mean, there's just... I mean, how mad can one person be? So mad.